Yes, hello everyone. How are you doing? Hope you're all doing well. Yeah, I'm here because I want to discuss different ways of how we can meet or we can leverage the time that we have to meet as individuals or in our groups. Okay, most people would be like, we use Zoom. Yeah, Zoom, if you have unlicensed account, it takes only 30 minutes. So if you are doing something like coding or some important meeting, those minutes won't be enough. Before you know the time is done, then you reschedule another one, then the time is done, so that will be hectic. But there is something called Google Meet. Yes, people know it, but I don't know. I've just found out that people know it in a different way. People think it is downloadable. People think maybe it will consume their money. No, it is not paid for, but it is a conferencing app or software, I would call it. So you go to your browser, your favorite browser, mine is Chrome, do Google Meet, then you find Google Meet. Google Meet is the right option because you'll be getting all those things you get via Zoom. There might be some changes, but all we want is the conferencing, the sharing of the screen, if it's coding or if it's presenting, then that board, all those things that we get via Zoom, we can get them via Google Meet. So you come to so Google Meet is one good option for us to take on. Okay, let me take you through how you can have fun, and because it has unlimited time. So when you go to your browser, type Google Meet, you'll see this symbol. So click in the first link. Then we have these options. If your group is ready and you want to meet instantly, you could just start an instant meeting. If they are not ready, you could just start an instant meeting, then send them a link. If they are not ready, you can create one for later. If not, you can create one with Google Calendar. What makes one with Google Calendar better is you schedule time, and then two, it sets a reminder. For example, you can say you should remind them 30 minutes before. Then it sets the title, maybe we shall call it testing Google Meet, like that. At what time? For example, if you agreed you'll meet at 2:30 to maybe 1. The date, should it be all day? Should it be recurring, like every Wednesday? Should it be monthly? So you can set one that best suits you. So if it's a group, Google Meet would be better, and then the calendar one should be better. Why? For example, we have a few months in the boot camp, so we can say weekly on Wednesday. So if you have chosen that date that you want to be meeting regularly, say an example, you as a group, you decided you should be meeting every Friday, or every Monday you have that meeting. So you can say weekly on every Monday. You choose those days or the date that you would love to meet. So after that, you do a few scheduling, you put some information. Then after that, you can add your members if you have them within this, but you are not going to add any. But if you have your members, you can add them. Then that's it. We have scheduled it. You'll go through other things further, but that's it. Then save. Then it's already there on your calendar. This is it, testing Google Meet. Then you copy its link, and then you can paste it anywhere. So if it's a Gmail, you paste it, you give it to people. I just pasted in here, but you do pasting in the right places, so when people click on it, it takes them to the meeting. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for being here, and thank you for learning something today. Google Meet is recommended for group meetings. You have a simple error that you want a friend to help you troubleshoot, jump onto the Google Meet, set an instant one. For example, do instant meeting, You'll start there, and then so it will have all the things that put off my camera. So it will have all these things that we get from Zoom. We get the audio, we get the video, we get the screen sharing while presenting, share entire window, it is there. So all the things that we get from Zoom are here. Share the entire screen. So you click on the screen, then you click share, so it will be sharing the entire screen. So all the things that we get from Zoom are here, and yet Zoom, after 30 minutes, it may chop you off. So if you want to send your friend a link to join after setting that instant one, all you could do is this, then you copy joining info, then you paste it or in your chat or to their email, then it goes to them and they will be able to join you freely. Yeah, that is it about Google Meet. Most thing is sharing the screen. If you want to share the code, so you do sharing and then share your entire screen or a window where you are doing the code, and then they have to see or help you out as you code along with them. Yeah, it has these emojis of thumbs up and the rest. Yeah, that's it about Google Meet today. Bye bye, have a nice day.